In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide drawings in TradingView. TradingView is an incredibly powerful tool for anyone involved in market analysis, thanks to its myriad features that help visualize data clearly and effectively. Among these, the ability to control the visibility of your drawings can be incredibly useful. Let's explore how you can seamlessly manage this aspect of your TradingView experience. To begin with, you'll want to head over to your TradingView account and open the chart that you're working on. Once you've got your chart up, you need to locate the drawing that you wish to hide. Clicking on it is your first action step in the process. You'll notice that as soon as you click on the drawing, some options will appear related to that element. It's a useful feature. The TradingView allows users to modify and control their drawings easily without cluttering the view. After selecting your drawing, you'll see three little dots appear somewhere near your tool options. This is the menu you need to access. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal additional options. This menu is a quick access point to perform a variety of actions related to the selected drawing, and it's quite straightforward to use. Once you've clicked on the dots, you'll find an option to hide. This feature allows you to remove the drawing from your immediate view without deleting it. This is particularly handy for cluttered charts where specific drawings are only occasionally needed, or for comparisons where you want to hide and reveal certain elements quickly. Now, let's move on to unhiding your drawing. For this, you'll need to navigate to the Object Tree and Data View section of your TradingView interface. If you haven't used this feature before, it's like a central control hub where you can see all your drawn elements, their settings, and more. Within the Object Tree, locate the specific drawing you previously hid. Beside this item, you will notice an eye icon. Clicking on this eye icon will toggle the visibility of your drawing. Activating this icon will make your previously hidden drawing visible on the chart once again. This eye icon works as a simple toggle to either reveal or conceal your drawing as per your requirement. In summary, controlling the visibility of drawings in TradingView is an efficient way to keep your workspace organized and visually appealing. By mastering these simple steps, you will gain greater control over your chart presentations, allowing you to focus on the data that matters most without unnecessary distractions. With these tools at your disposal, you will be able to tailor your TradingView charts to fit any analytical scenario you find yourself in. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.